Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix LCP in Shopify largest content paint. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you may be frustrated in your largest contentful paint here, or LCP, especially if you're having some issues with it. So basically, LCP is Google's way of measuring how fast the main stuff on your page actually loads up. So usually a big image or banner here actually shows up when someone visits your site, and if that takes long, it can hurt both your site speed, score, and user experience here. So there are going to be a few things that you may want to do here or change to basically improve how your site actually works. So first things first is you want to take in consideration the assets that you're using on your store. Now, we all know that when you have a store here, obviously you would have your own banners, you have your videos here showcasing different products. Now, in this case, whenever you're using an image on your store here, it is highly recommended that you optimize or you compress those images. Now, there are a lot of tools out there that you could use to compress images. Just type in compress image on Google search here, and you should be able to see a lot here. Like, for example, you have image compressor for image resizer, which personally I use this one. And you could also use other platform here like TinyPNG here if you want to. Now, in this case, also sometimes, like for example, if you just need a tiny, small image here and not that really big, you may want to resize the image itself so that it does not occupy a lot of space into your website. Now, just remember this: the higher the size of the file that you uploaded, like either image or video here, this will affect how your site will load up. So the higher the file type, the longer the people who is visiting your website will have to wait to view that image or that video. So optimizing, reducing the size, and even compressing images here or videos is something that you really take in consideration. Now, also, another thing that you need to consider here is limit the edits that you may be doing into your team. Now, we all know when you go to online store here and go to teams and click on the option here that says, or in this case, the three-dot option here, you have the option to basically edit your code. Now, the thing with this one is this gives you the option or the freedom to add like JavaScript into your store if you want to add like a certain functionality or you want to make something happen here. But the thing with this one is if you add a lot of JavaScript into your website here, this will also slow down your website, which in this case, it is highly recommended that you limit the amount of edits or JavaScript that you add in your actual file here. Now, in this case, don't do major changes on the code itself, just do minor ones so that you ensure that you're not slowing down your website. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things or the basic things that you could actually do here to reduce or improve your LCP on Shopify, especially if you're having problems on it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.